These are the Ozark Trail shutter swimmers. I'm not ashamed to throw a cheaper soft plastic. Who cares? I've caught fish on them. If it works, it works. Oh,
that is f***ing disgusting.
Tastes like black licorice. Not bad. See how it goes. Woo! Wind's pushing me all around. Standing doesn't help either. I'm like a giant sail. You can see how much junk there is in the water. Junk is in grass, vegetation, lily pads, but I don't care. Oh my God. I was just gonna say, I don't care because bass love the spinnerbait through the grass. Perfect timing. Yes. All right, baby. He slammed it, kind of like a topwater. Hopefully my chest camera picked that up. Little one. That's like borderline dink status. Not bad. I'll take it. Confidence boost for sure. I went with my gut instinct for the spinnerbait and it paid off. It's good. With the Ozark Trail Walmart brand shutter swimmer.
Bruh.
I just lost it. Man, I was doing so good too. That's fishing though. And I don't hide it. I try to show you guys all the nonsense that happens out here to me. I could edit this to make myself look like I'm incredible, but I'm not. This is real life fishing. I am a clown. Get this big old bird's nest out of here. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you don't, then the next time you go fishing, you're gonna get a big old backlash like this.
Okay.
Can we get a topwater fish? I don't think I've had a topwater fish on this channel in 2022. Oh, something hit it. Come on, come on. Dang. All right, so I think the frog's a good idea. Oh, no. There we go. Nope. Dang, these fish are getting the best of me, man. Shoot. All right, really good positioning here. Let's see. I should drop my Senko right in there since I know there's a fish. There we go. Stay on. Yes. Whew. The first topwater fish of 2022. Oh, barely hooked. Oh, thank you. So small. It almost is the same size as the first one. Thank you for the bite. Yes, man. Topwater can be pretty frustrating when you're getting hits and you're not able to hook them. Oh, yes. Come on. Better fish, better fish. Yes. Ooh. Oh God, kill the motor, kill the motor. Do you think they want topwater? Just inhaled that guy. Look at that top fin, man. That's real crazy. What happened? It's like a little mini fin. Ooh. Oh, look, he's self-conscious about it. He put it down.
What?
Yes! Second frog fish of the day. And he just annihilated it. Odd looking bass, but better than the first two we got, so I'm happy. He's ready. Yeah, there you go. Nice. All right, man. Yes, dude, two topwater fish today. I don't know, on windier days, I don't really throw topwater. I don't know much about topwater though. Is this when you throw it? I have no idea. But that's why I like to come out here. You collect all this knowledge. Try to key in on certain little things that you're noticing. So whenever I was fishing earlier, my strike happened at the very top of the water, very high in the water column. Then I saw some fish jumping out there closer to the grass mats, and I decided to throw the frog, and there you go. All right, baby. There's a boat over there, man. You ain't taking my topwater fish. I need to get out of here. This is ridiculous. Look at this. I need a knife to cut this. Oh, just use my bare hands because I'm so freaking strong. Chopping up a bunch of grass, see that? It's that shallow that my propeller is just chopping up that salad. I'm pretty sure I'm stuck. All right, well, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna pull my motor up and paddle in. Look at this sea of lily pads, my God. Little guy. Oh, my paddle's all crazy. Knew there had to be one in here. Might be the smallest one of the day. There's another small one. Nice, man. They're like all little clones. It's all the same little dinks. There you go again. Little guy. Still so fun. I'm getting better at not setting the hook immediately. It's really hard to do. Topwater requires some patience. But you just get, you know, it's like a reaction. You see a blow up on your bait, you're gonna set the hook. Oh God, oh. That scared the crap out of me. That was a huge blow up like 5 feet away. How did he come off, man? Thank you all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Today was awesome. I did not expect to be catching fish on topwater. We only had one decent fish. I lost a couple. I feel like at least one of those was pretty good. So a little bit frustrated, but I still can't complain, man. Really nice evening. The wind was ripping for a bit, but it seems to have died down. I'm gonna paddle my way down this shore, try to hit up some more of these lily pads. If this is the end, that means I didn't catch anything. So thanks again for watching, guys.